The recent cold weather adds to the list of concerns for farmers in western North Carolina. Farmers are trying hard to keep their livestock warm this winter season. Giselle Thomas is live at North Carolina A&T's Extension Cow Farm on how it plans to help. Giselle?
Yes, now North Carolina A&T plays a huge part in the community. Now we are here at the dairy farm and I'm here with Mr. Corey Burgess. He is the dairy unit research coordinator, and I have to ask, I see we have so many dairy cows here, some of them enjoying a nice little back scratch over there. But most importantly, I know operations change a bit as we're getting to the cold weather. So tell me a little bit about what you have to do in these mornings.
You have to be a lot more proactive in temperatures like this. We have to make sure the cows have clean bedding. We have to plug up our equipment, making sure that the ice and the waters are not being frozen, stuff like that. So got to be a little more proactive about it. But for the most part, that's about it. The biggest part is more so the equipment than the cows. The cows know how to take care of themselves. They can come back and forth to the barn as they please. So that was a good addition that we made a few years ago. It's really helping out now. But it's like I say, the biggest concern for us mainly is making sure the equipment is going to start and run so we can actually make sure we can feed these cows properly in the mornings.
One thing too, because I noticed with the size of them, they don't seem cold at all. So I figure physically they are equipped to be able to handle the cold temperatures. No coverings needed and anything like that.
Sure, not on the adult animals, but on my calves, we do put jackets on them. So they got jackets on them. They also have heat and air conditioning down in their building in the bottom for the newborns. And even my yearlings, we even jacket them sometimes too as well, just to make sure they stay warm with some of these frigid temperatures we've had the last few days.
Wow. Yeah. Now, one thing I have to ask, just because I know you guys are also having this huge part with the Aggie ice cream coming, tell me a little bit about that real quick.
I'm very, very excited about Aggie ice cream coming in 2025. We don't have an exact time, but we know it will be in 2025. But we have what we call A2 Jersey cows, which is a more digestible milk if you're lactose intolerant like myself. So we're very, very excited about the Aggie ice cream coming. So look forward to that in 2025 and sometime before spring.
And coming back to these cows, because we see one of them looks like she's interested in being a part of this interview here.
She is. My cows are very spoiled cows. And we like that our cows, they're amongst students all the time. So we try to make this environment as safe as possible. Yep. So my girls are all a little spoiled, so they are not camera shy at all.
And the last thing, just to add, I know that you guys are also serving as a place here, just to remind you guys, here is a donation place for Western North Carolina. They're collecting hay, those kinds of items, things of that nature, to send down to the neighbors there. There are many farmers who are here, who are a part of the A&T's corporate extension program. Live in Greensboro, Giselle Thomas, WFMY News 2.